Shorts has the ability to explode your channel to the moon. As of February of 2023, creators can make money with very minimal effort. Well, at least so I thought, but let me tell you that's definitely not the case. See, starting a YouTube channel challenged me more than ever because for this to work, you need to be posting for at least twice a day, and it can be extremely tough doing this, but I can guarantee you after 30 days, you will see progress if you watch through the rest of this video. So the first thing I needed to figure out is how much money can you really make? Well, after some extensive research, it averages about 5 to 7 cents per 1,000 views, which honestly really sucks because a million viewed video is about 50 to 70 bucks, not good. But this really allows you to grow a following super easily, which can eventually transition over to long form content. And that averages between $1 to $3 per 1,000 views and can make anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000. Now that's more worth it. So how do you get there? Well, my plan is to create 2 short form pieces of content every single day. And then after I get monetized, it will transition over to 4 to 8 minute long videos, going more in depth on the shorts that previously went viral. And there's no guarantee that this will work since this is my first time trying this, but you gotta try. I did a bunch of research when first starting out, and I came across a couple of channels that seemed to blow up using other people's clips, such as Dylan Anderson and Brennan Rogers. These channels managed to get hundreds of millions of views online reacting to other clips using only their voice. For example, Dylan Anderson reacts to wholesome videos, combining a total of 19 billion views across his whole channel. If we do the math and say that he made 5 cents per 1,000 views, he would have made a grand total of $950,000. The guy made close to $1 million using other people's clips, and that's where Monkey Clips was born. I'll basically find viral videos and react to them using only voiceover and captions. This lets the algorithm know that I'm not completely copying the videos, and it also makes it monetizable, which is the entire point of the entire channel. So let's find some videos. I searched around a bit on TikTok and YouTube and gathered a bunch of videos in an Excel sheet where I'll be writing the scripts. I then created my first 2 videos and posted them on YouTube, but that's where everything went wrong. I got an email the next day saying that I repeated multiple violations of spam, deceptive practices, and scam policies. So yeah, that sucks. I think that's their way of saying that I was an original and copying clips. But I wasn't gonna let it stop me. I needed to make a new channel, but this time edit the videos in a way where it's more creative and more original. So for this new channel, I'm gonna put in more effort and pick a niche. And it's definitely the most crucial part when starting a YouTube channel. There are so many niches to choose from, but I chose the entertainment niche and followed the simple principle of trendjacking. And if you don't know what trendjacking is, it's basically using someone or something in your niche to pull in viewers that are interested in that topic. For example, if you make a channel in the cooking niche and made a video about cooking steaks, it might be best in your interest if you talk about Gordon Ramsay, because now you can use Gordon Ramsay as a way in to pull in viewers to your video. An example title could be Gordon Ramsay's Greatest Recipe. It's kind of a weird example, but what I did was use the most popular celebrities like Mr. Beast to funnel into my videos. So now I have to create a channel. And I decided to use AI to create a name. I basically went on ChatGPT and looked through a list of possibilities until I came across the name Swifty Trends. I thought it was a pretty good name because my entire channel was based off around providing quick trends about celebrities. Anyways, I got to work opening up Photoshop to do a quick logo design and banner for the channel. And don't worry if you don't have any designing experience like from Photoshop, because you could use a bunch of websites like Canva or Kittl to make one for you. The goal is to make it look simple but professional. Yeah, I decided to use a globe. I just thought it looked cool. I don't know where I was going with it, to be honest with you. But I think it turned out okay. And it really, at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter how it turns out. As long as the channel looks good and it looks branded and professional, you're straight. The editing process is a big part of making a video go viral, and since my first account got banned, I'm going to be putting in more work. See, the first 6 videos that I had weren't the best because I took the lazy route and used Minecraft footage as an overlay. I also used CapCut to create the captions because I didn't want to translate it myself. But after seeing the results from the first 6 videos, I decided it wasn't gonna cut it. I really needed to make a better video. So I decided to go all out, and I called a close friend of mine to help me create ideas and scripts for the videos while I edited. So shout out to Evan because he really helped me take this channel off the ground. The editing process was pretty simple in terms of difficulty, but it did take some time. We basically would come up with an idea like Mr. Beast's Smartest Contestant, and then we would take that idea, make a script, and then from the script we would download the Mr. Beast video, and then we added stock footage for B-roll, transitions, sound effects, and captions. Everything was custom made to be sure that it was original content, because I definitely don't want to get banned again. After making summary videos about Mr. Beast contestants and videos like Where is Team 10 Now, we started getting a lot of traction. And as we got more and more views, the channel was growing in subscribers. After 30 days, however, something horrific happened. That channel also got banned. I can't believe after all of the time we spent on the channel, it got banned. It makes no sense. And to this day, we still really don't know why. My guess is that we were providing false content with crazy clickbait titles, but then again, there are so many other channels on YouTube that are doing the exact same thing, so it's extremely frustrating. It also sucks because I can no longer access the account, but I did screen record some of the analytics for the month of December on my phone, so it's not completely accurate, but it's something. In the month of December, we got a total of 977,000 views across our channel with 31,836 likes, 157 shares, and 369 comments, and also ended the challenge with 3,476 subscribers. So not bad at all, especially for the first month. It's crazy, but I'm extremely satisfied with these results, even though we got banned. However, it's not over. I only showed you the analytics for YouTube Shorts. I actually have been posting on Instagram and TikTok all along, and those results are ridiculous. The TikTok page has 1,349 followers with 23,300 likes, and I also got 3 videos to go semi-viral, with one video getting 116,000, another with 196,000, and the last one with 292,000. But if you think that's good, let's go to the Instagram account. I ended up getting 5,888 followers with millions of views across my channel. I literally got more views on that channel than on this channel. Yeah, please click subscribe. So the first video that went viral has 1.8 million, and not even a week later, we posted another video with the same concept, and it got 9.9 million views. That's literally the biggest video I've ever posted. I was just shocked. I was extremely shocked when that came out. Like 9.9, that's 10. That's 10 million views. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. It's actually crazy because it blew up so big that the contestant in the Mr. Beast video actually commented. He literally said, "I was just so bored. It all happened. It was just a blur." Like, he literally commented. That's crazy. He was literally in a video that got hundreds of millions of views, and he commented on my video. I would have lost my Mr. Beast commented. Like, straight up, I would have lost my I can't even express to you how big I got this channel to grow in 30 days. It's literally insane. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of the Instagram channel and the TikTok so you guys can prove to you that it actually is real. It's still live and it's still running. And you could also tell because it's literally my voice in every single video. I just talked with this super announcing voice like,
"This is the smartest Mr. Beast contestant."
So where do I go from here? Well, that's up to you guys. I want to make sure that I can make the best content possible, so be sure to comment part 2 if you want to see the results after running this channel for 90 days. Yes, I heard that. I will continue to run this channel if you guys comment down below. And even though I didn't make any money from this challenge, I did learn a lot about going viral. So if anything, take this video as a learning experience and go do it yourself.